Today we're unboxing the Reserve R300 from Polk Audio. This is a compact center channel speaker. Okay, and yeah, let's take a look at it. Okay, so here we have the owner's manual. Okay. It's quite heavy. Okay. Wow, this is the walnut color. It actually comes in 3 colors, walnut and black and white, but I chose the walnut color because I thought this would look good in any room. Okay, so we have here the grill, which is removable. Okay. There we go, and we're putting it on top of the R400, right?
R400.
Okay. Alright. So let's take a look at the rear. Here you have your
Binding posts.
2 binding posts. Yeah. So we're gonna test these out along with 2 R350s. Okay. Of course, you have here the turbine tweeters.
Pinnacle tweeter.
And the pinnacle tweeter, no?
Pinnacle tweeter.
Yeah. Turbine tones with the pinnacle tweeter. Okay. Actually looks good. I'm not sure if this is real wood, but it seems like real wood. And the finish is really nice. So I'm gonna give my impressions of the sound later on.